Hello everybody. Today's video, I wanted to do a sneak peek of the rig I'm going to be building here in probably another week or so. I'm pretty excited about this because as I've been doing all the videos, I've been having a lot of struggles with editing 4K 60 frames per second. And so I need something that has a little bit more oomph. And so this is the unit I'm putting in. It is a 3900XT, just temporary until the 5000 series come out, but who knows if it's going to be a paper launch. So I just need something right now. And of course I could always, gift this back down to my kids. So this is actually the second AMD platform I've ever built on the new Ryzen series. So I'm pretty excited about that. But so what I'm going to be doing here is I got this monster, the X570 AORUS Extreme. So normally for my motherboards, I pick ASUS. I've been tried and true with them for a number of years, but GIGABYTE really made a special product here with the X570. A couple things that were really special in this. Number one, no fan on the chipset cooler, so it's nice and quiet. This is really important to me because I want it to be quiet as possible, especially with water cooling. The other aspect is 10 gig Ethernet. I wanted that to be built into the chipset and directly off the CPU to get the maximum most amount of transfer. So that's another special feature. And then the VRMs. Those are 70 amps in this unit, which is one of the highest I've seen and some really high quality. While I know it's probably not going to give me much room on the Ryzen 3000 series, just because it doesn't really overclock that all that well, but I'm pretty hopeful that the 5000 series will actually be better, and that's ultimately the chip I want to get and put inside this, probably a 5950. So we'll see if I can get one out on launch day. I'm gonna bundle that with some pretty high-end DDR4 RAM. So this is actually the Trident Z Neo, and so I got two kits here. So it's actually 32 gigs of memory at 3800, but the timings are so tight on this. It's a CL14. So I'm pretty excited about that. Should be good. I'm gonna put a Phanteks Glacier C360A because I got water cooling on my rig. And so you'll have to wait to see that, but this should be able to give me some decent temperatures. I actually have the EK, I think it's called the Quantum or Momentum. It's whatever their higher end water block is. So I'll test this one and then I'll be able to test the other water block to see how it fares. I actually heard that the 5000 series, rumor that is, that the memory sweet spot's supposed to be 4000 megahertz. So I do know this is overclockable, so I'm hoping I can get to 4000 with this and maybe just be at CL15, but we'll have to wait and see and do some testing on that, but excited nonetheless. So just a teaser on some of the components I'm gonna be putting into my new build. Let me know what you think. Would you pick any of these components? If you wouldn't, why would you pick something else? Let me know in the comments section down below. Of course, I'll put a link to all the components in the description, and until next time, bye for now.